And if you're like me and you kind of like having a wide variety of smartwatches, I have my Garmin watch here. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to put this one aside, and I wanted something that looked more like a G-Shock type watch. And I found this at a very affordable price. I'm just going to kind of like, this is the Model T88 here. And I'm just going to kind of go over all the settings here. There is an app for this. I will download the app and show y'all. You get a little, international card here. It gives you the app on there. You get the charging cable. You get all types of things in here. Blood oxygen level, blood pressure, weather, camera controls, music controls, alarm clock. For the price, it is absolutely amazing what all's in this watch. And check it out. Powering it on. You're going to power it on. I might need to charge it. No, I think I just felt it come on. Check that out, everybody. But here's what's cool. You actually get 2 watch bands with it. You get this rubberized watch band. Then you get this very premium watch band. And these are adjustable, just so you know. That's what this thing right here is. You will adjust that by turning, and it pushes out one of the pins right there. So you get an adjustable watch band there. You get the charge cable. The charge cable just connects like this right here. It's like a magnetic connect. Look at how quickly that works. That's very easy. Pretty simple right there. Then you get a little screwdriver. Because it's like a more durable watch, that screwdriver goes in right there and takes these things off. And just looking over here, you mash the button. Let me download the app real quick and see what all's on this thing. All right, everybody, that was real simple. I downloaded that app and it just connected right up. You can see right here, pair. Now I'm paired up with the app right here. You can see the different watch faces. Check out how quickly this works too. You got different watch faces right here. And then there's a gallery. So what I love about things like this, there's all types of watch faces. I actually like having more of a basic. So let me just go like a colorful basic one. It's applying. It's got a download, so it's downloading from their site, and it's going to apply it. And while it's doing that, I'm just going to kind of show you, oh, it's loading onto the watch. So let it load up, and let's change it to this kind of basic sapphire, which is like what I like. It just gives you the steps, the time and date, and that's all you need. All right, there it is, everybody. It downloaded. Everything went through seamlessly. It's asking me to rate the app. Rate the app because I really like this app. I think it works really well. And let's look at some other features of this thing. And let's go ahead and put it on. And, oh, yeah, to change the watch face, just hold down on the button, and you can scroll through them that way. But when you move it this way, there's activity here. Let me show y'all some of the things on the watch. You got blood pressure. I just took the blood pressure. To do it, you want to hold down on that. You just touch down, and it starts doing it. And then it goes and it does its thing. I don't know if you can see it in the camera there, but it's actually taking my blood pressure right now. So it does monitoring kind of real time. Same way with the heart monitor. You just touch it and then it does it. It's like you just want to hold still. I'm talking and moving around. My heart rate usually runs between 70 and 90, somewhere around there, 98. So I'm a little excited. I'm excited that I got this watch for y'all. The sleep, I haven't worn it long enough to put the sleep in the thing. And then there's the talk of the app, and then the modes. So then what you're going to do is hit this mode. There's a walking. It does a countdown, and then it starts. It gives you total steps, calorie burns, average heart rate, distance, and pretty much heart rate zones. How cool is that? So there's the walking, running, cycling, skipping. How about that? I guess that's jump roping, badminton. It has a lot of different exercises, and it actually has where you can add more exercises in there. And then going back to the main screen, scrolling through. This is one of these things for the money. For the actual price, I don't think you can go wrong with a smartwatch like this. And it looks tough. This thing looks very premium and looks pretty much indestructible. With the app and the watch, I think you get a good value of this thing. So yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, on the smartwatch. See y'all in the next video.